我们来看一下这一道题 ，improvement。大家先把视频暂停一下，给自己大概40秒的时间，把整个文章呢先读一遍。好，我们来看一下文章的第一部分。Analysts， 注意这是复数的形式 ，were impressed as 后面这个 d 呢有点偏这个 t 的发音 ，impressed by the improvement in margins reported across all regions。improvement 这个 t 呢做出口型，不要读成 improvement，t 非常的弱，或者说只做出口型没有这个音也是可以的。By the improvement in margins，margins 注意复数的形式 ，reported 不要读成 reported，OK，reported 自然一点 ，reported across all regions 复数的形式。Apart from 我没有读成 apart from 这个 t 你要读的话呢要读得非常的迅速，但是要比较弱一点 ，OK，apart from 不要读成了 apart from 的错了 ，t 不能重读。Apart from the United 不要读成 United Kingdom and said that this reflected and said that 大家听好了 and said that 这个 t 呢也是非常的弱 and said that this reflected 也之前说过动词的这个过去式呢我们可以用一点点这个拖音对不对要自然一点 and said that this reflected a clear effort to improve effort 后面是 to 所以这个 t 呢做出口型 a clear effort to improve profitability 多音节词 profitability across the business 不要读成 business 这个 i 是不发音的 business OK 我们连起来读一下 Analysts were impressed by the improvement in margins reported across all regions apart from the United Kingdom and said that this reflected a clear effort to improve profitability across the business我们来看第二部分 although 重读 although the turnaround OK turnaround 这一块是连下来的 turnaround is still in its early stages and 所以这个 D 呢做出口型 and the valuation looks full given the challenge of turning around such a 要连在一起不要读成 such a OK such a large and complex business this is certainly an impressive start 一句话结束这个 T 呢一定要把这个音发出来 start 好我们来看一下断句比较容易吧第一句我们在这个 full 后面停 given the challenge to turn around such a business 这里停我们尽量少断所以3个逗号2个逗号1个句号停的是没有问题的我们连起来读一下Although the turnaround is still in its early stages and the valuation looks full, given the challenge of turning around such a large and complex business, this is certainly an impressive start. 好，我们把整个文章连在一起读一下，我们速度稍微慢一点。Analysts were impressed by the improvement in margins reported across all regions, apart from the United Kingdom, and said that this reflected a clear effort to improve profitability across the business.Although the turnaround is still in its early stages and the valuation looks full, given the challenge of turning around such a large and complex business, this is certainly an impressive start. All right, guys, thank you.